Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. TS Galaxy 1, Devon City 2. I'm joined by the one, the only Foxy.
Yo, Sibo. Suthi nebantwini. Sibo ubone the rejiving. No, rejiving. Wabona no, or retlwele sekgowa le what?
Yeah.
No, rejiving. On a very serious note. Like no research. Okay, we lost today. If we have to deal with today's game,
Yeah.
there's no quality. I mean, we don't have players already right for the right positions. Everyone is like Rajima. Yeah. Everyone plays in Morata.
Yeah.
I want that thing. Almost position is so. Almost position is so.
On a structure.
No, on a structure.
Yeah.
But then. Obviously, kitaba ya coach, ya coach uvaile. Yeah, no, that's something really problematic.
Yeah.
But then, what can we say? Enough today. Today, I'm not happy. Yeah, but then on my way here,
Yeah.
kitswa bar kifitile ko mshate. Yeah, so akfita ko mshate. Bar kibotse kimang. Onale ke mangi Jimmy ke mtokwa
Jimmy ha.
Ba re no man a tlwele o kena taba tsa basadi ba re koma ya kena isgale
Yeah.
so I make sure gore o dutse mo tseleng yeah so ba re le abafana ba khutla komeng aska ba hata kwa because hamamele mlao ke motho ile re no kena taba tsa basadi ning na bua basadi ba di chiefs le ba di watwatar basadi ba batle ke ba feng no ha re tswe mo a se taba tsa rona wa bona ra stona tso se so nane ke re ke mogaleme kobani ke re tswa play ke one wa bona ba rile ke mo no, ask about feet.
Yeah. Man of the match Kamar man.
Okay, man of the match Devon City. Yeah, Devon City. They played very well. Come on, the coach did very well.
Yeah.
Runa, we don't have a structure.
But you like Mbonjani when you rains.
Okay. Well. Looking at the age, maybe it's about time. It's about time. He must decide. He must have a friendly conversation with himself.
Yeah.
Or does he want to continue playing or what?
Yeah.
But now, from my side, I think he contributed a lot to the team.
Yeah.
But for now, I think it's time. Yeah, I think it's time. Yeah, I think it's time. So yeah, Makosi, yeah, Galerata Mashivzi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why No. What's your message?
No, Makosi at least this year managed to reach the position. You were not part of top 8. Lerona part of top 8. So you didn't win anything. Lerona win anything. So yeah. As long as Chiefs Ilori is not doing well, I'm happy. I'm the happiest person.